All right, ladies and gentlemen, apologies. I'm a bit sick today, so apologies for sounding like a freak, but let's get into it. So we got Mag 7, we got Meta, Google, Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. Everyone's looking pretty good, except for Tesla is looking real good. And after bashing it a bit or talking shit about it a bit on Friday, it has bounced back a lot. And yeah, it was just a negative day for them. They weren't really winning on Friday, and now they're definitely winning. So we'll look into. We got an article here. Yeah, Musk secured a $16.5 billion microchip deal. So pretty interesting. I didn't know the manufacturing base was coming back to America. All these deals are happening in America. So I think that's pretty cool. Like I thought getting all these things out of Taiwan was going to be decades worth of change. But yeah, by the looks of it, a lot of this stuff is happening in America and in Texas especially. So that was my big takeaway. The other takeaway was, yeah, their EVs have slumped 25% this year. So pretty crazy, yeah, loss of revenue and stuff like that. So anyway, we'll move on. The other thing is Trump strikes the EU deal. So yeah, I'll read verbatim here. The US will set off a baseline tariff of 15% for European goods, including automotive steel and aluminium levies of 15% and remain unchanged in the EU. And EU has agreed to buy $750 billion worth of US energy products. So pretty crazy. Whether these are all handshakes just to get everyone off each other's back, we'll wait and see. But yeah, these deals will take a long, long time to set up, and it'll be interesting to see the future of this kind of stuff. Before we move on to the next thing, yeah, if you're still here, like and subscribe. Really would help out. So yeah, cheers. Anyway, NASDAQ is up today, 0.24%, so that's cool. S&P 500 is 0.04% up today, and Dow Jones is 0.47% up. This is almost breaking all-time highs today. So, well, not today, but soon. So the other two, S&P 500 and NASDAQ, are definitely well into, well, they broke all-time highs about a month ago. So that will maybe join the club soon. I'm not too sure. So the next thing is calendar news is CBI realized sales. So to be fair, not a lot of people trade like yellow folders. They're normally looking for high impact news. So these ones, so a lot more volatility, a lot more money. So if you're waiting for something to hit points of interest or move a bit quicker or move out of your position or whatever, like you're probably looking for these. But I'm sure that I'm sure there's a lot of people making money off watching these kind of news, and it is interesting. I'm still going to go through it in this channel, like every day. So bit of financial education, why not? Like, so anyway, we'll move on. So I'm not really trading at the moment, but I will be hopefully over the next couple of weeks. And so we got EU, GU, USD, MEX. They're the tickers for the currencies I normally trade. So, yeah, just weird times. Like today, you're in between. Like I wouldn't be trading anyway. Even that, nothing I say in this video is financial advice, but there's a fine line in definitely currency trading and all types of trading to like essentially give back your money and to be fair, like be a professional gambler. So if you're in between like large points of interest like this, where are you trading to? Are you trading to here or to here, or like you're pretty much, yeah, you just don't know. So sometimes it's better to stay out. That's how I see it. So EU's looking the best out of all of them, to be fair. But yeah, so GU is similar kind of thing. Like it's taken liquidity here, and there's liquidity here, and there's liquidity here. So but the thing is, there's inner structure here, so there's more liquidity here. So it's like, does it go up or does it go down? And you kind of, you just have to figure that out. It will be easy in hindsight, obviously, but yeah, there's just always that fine line of you want more confluences than not, and it's a very fine line of being a professional gambler, I guess. So USD Mexican, I was waiting for, sometimes when they spike like this, you can go back over and it's almost like the wick has disappeared. I'll show you. That would have been disappeared, but yeah, it seems to have stayed there by now. So this is a perfect example as well. Like, are you trading up or trading down? Or yeah, it's just sometimes it's better to stay out. So we'll move on to the S&P 500. I'll show you what I was talking about before. So the all-time highs were the 27th of June. So pretty much a month ago. So it just keeps on, this is daily charts, so daily. So it just keeps on tracking up. So the NASDAQ is the same. So all-time highs, 25th of June or whatever. And it's just keeps on tracking up. So same. And then the Dow Jones is not quite there. So these are all-time highs. And it's just not quite there. Whether it will or not, no one knows. So if you find this stuff interesting, just like and subscribe and all the rest. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. Thanks.